Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser latest version, that is 15.0 on Fedora Linux 44. Okay, first open any default web first open the default web browser that comes with Fedora Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Tor Browser official website, it is torproject.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. See, download started and its size is about 131 megabytes. Wait until download completes and it is zip file. Once download completes, then we will untar this zip file and we will install Tor Browser. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. Now untar this file, tar-xf, then tar, press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls. Now we have to execute this tar browser.desktop. Don't run with sudo or root account, just give ./start, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. See, we got the Tor Browser. And if you want to connect to Tor automatically, just you need to turn on. If you don't want, turn off it as it is and click on connect. I want automatically, so turn on and connect. See, now it is establishing connection. In the meantime, verify the version of the Tor Browser that you have installed. See, we have installed 15.0.14. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser latest version 15.0 on Fedora Linux 44. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.